Well, first of all, just enjoy the working of this amazing balloon boat. Well, for making this simple balloon boat, all you require is a piece of styrofoam, a good quality balloon, a triangular rubber piece, and a bendable straw and some glue. Now first mark the outline of the boat on a piece of styrofoam and then cut it with a penknife. This would be the shape of the styrofoam boat. Now apply some glue on a triangular piece of rubber and stick it on the styrofoam. The inclined part of this rubber piece would enable the balloon to rest. And then fix the balloon on the short end of a flexible straw with the help of a rubber band. It's the air from this balloon which is going to escape and power our boat. Now place the short end of the straw on the incline and tape the straw to the styrofoam boat. Now the boat is all ready. This is the underview of the boat, and then you inflate the balloon, inflated bell. The more the air, the further the boat will go. And then close the end of the straw with your thumb and place in the large tub of water. As you let go your thumb, air ejects from the straw and propels the boat forward. This is actual testing of Newton's third law of motion, that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It's a beautiful toy and a wonderful science model.